Good day everyone, I am Irish Cuares, your second reporter for Chapter 7's Common Philippine Herbs Used for Preventing and Treating Diseases for Animals. And at this point, let me present to you the reproductive, urinary, and circulatory systems herbal treatments. So under the reproductive system, we have malunggay. It is used to prevent or treat agalaxia, which is the absence of milk production in an animal that should be producing milk. The two most common causes of this condition are systemic disease. So when we say systemic, it means affecting the entire body rather than a single organ or a body part. And mastitis, which is the inflammation of the mammary gland, either due to bacterial infection or any other damages. In animals with severe systemic disease and decreased feed intake, milk production will drop dramatically and in some cases will cease altogether. Kaya of course, once na ay sakit ang isa ka animal, mo decrease sa pangiyahang feed intake. Thereby, maapektuhan po ang ilahang milk production, like it will drop dramatically as well. For the preparation and application of this herb, force feeding of leaves or apply the leaves on mammaries. Active ingredients in malunggay include calcium oxalate. So ang kaning calcium oxalate or calcium and oxalate, nagbind din sila together in the intestine aron sabay sila mo live sa body through a stool so that the oxalate or the accumulated mineral compounds would not form eventually into stones or kidney stones. That's why one of the purposes of calcium in the body is to bind the oxalate palabas sa atong or sa palabas sa body. Otherwise, maabsorb na siya sa bloodstream or will end up in the urine, forming into solid masses or what we call the kidney stone. And pectic substances that promote gut health and reduce gastrointestinal disorder. Next is gatas-gatasan or gitawag po din nato si Jaog tawa-tawa. It is used to treat agalaxia as well. For the preparation and application, administer the liquid solution of the whole plant orally. Or ginapabukalan po ni si Ja, then ang water di ato motoy ipainom sa animal that has this disease, agalaxia. Gatas-gatasan has an active ingredients such as amygdalin, which is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant. Calcium oxalate, matong gimension kaina, it binds together in the intestine and leave the body together in the stool. Precaution: high doses can irritate gastrointestinal tract that leads to vomiting, abdominal pain, or worse, death. It is because once too much na ang presence of amygdalin sa body, it will release cyanide that leads to poisoning. In short, napolisijay toxin. That is why it is advisable to administer 3 to 4 cups only of this herb a day. Next is sampagita or Jasminium sambak. It is used to treat mastitis, which is an inflammation of breast tissue that sometimes involves an infection. The inflammation results in breast pain, swelling, warmth, and redness. For the preparation and application, leaves and flowers apply on the mammaries. Now let's have the herbs used to treat urinary diseases. The first one, we have sambong or Blomera balsamifera. Indication: cystitis, infection and inflammation of the urinary bladder, and urolithiasis or urinary stones are a common condition responsible for lower urinary tract disease, commonly in dogs and cats. The formation of bladder stones or calculi is associated with precipitation and crystal formation of a variety of minerals. Several factors are responsible for the formation of urinary stones. Diuretic, increase in urination. Other possible side effects include diarrhea or constipation. For its preparation and application, 1 leaf in 2 glasses of water and then administer the solution orally. Its active ingredients are alkaloids, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, antifungal, and many other activities. And glycosides, one of the important uses of glycosides is treating cardiac failure and irregular heartbeats, or also known as cardiac glycosides. Tannin, anti-carcinogenic as it protects cellular oxidative damage. Volatile oil, therapeutic scent used in aromatherapy for relaxation and stress relief. Since ang kaniang sambong na certain aroma used to relieve stress and for relaxation as well. Pansit-pansitan or Peperomia pellucida. Indications: urolithiasis and urinary tract infection. For its application, feed fresh 4 to 6 inches of the plant in 1 glass of water. Active ingredients present in pansit-pansitan include tannins, anti-carcinogenic as it protects cellular oxidative damage, calcium oxalate, alkaloids, and volatile oil. Precaution: Pansit-pansitan suppresses peristalsis or a series of wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract due to volatile oil present in the herb. Now let's have the herbs used to treat or prevent circulatory diseases. First, we have nyog or Cocos nocifera. It is used to suppress dehydration. Drink or administer the water of 3 young coconut orally. Nyog consists of extracellular fluid whereby its primary function is the exchange of substances between the cells and the rest of the body. The fluid acts as a medium for the essential exchange of dissolved gases, nutrients, and electrolytes. Next, avocado or Persea americana for anemia, a condition in which the number of red blood cells or the hemoglobin concentration within is lower than normal. Avocado helps to treat anemia as it is rich in vitamin B complex that help the body convert food into energy, create new blood cells, and ensuring the body cells are functioning properly. Phosphate, iron, potassium, and minerals. For its application, force feeding fruit except the peel. Malunggay also helps to treat anemia by feeding the leaves and its flowers. Malunggay is rich in iron, calcium, phosphorus, vitamins A and C. Next is luya or Zingiber officinale. This is for Dirofilaria immitis infection, adult worms that can cause pulmonary artery blockage, leading to an illness that can include cough, fainting, and severe weight loss. It is treated with the residues of the alcoholic extracts of the rhizomes of Zingiber officinale or ginger. 12 subcutaneous injections of the extract given at 100 mg per kilogram reduce microfilaria concentration in blood by maximum of 98%, and this is due to the presence of gingerol, which is the active ingredients of the latter. Precaution: Do not use 1 week prior to or after surgery. And the last one, bawang or Allium sativum. It is used to treat arrhythmia, irregular heartbeat, a problem with the rate or rhythm of the heartbeat, and tachycardia, increased heart rate. For the preparation and application, feeding of clove 5 to 15 kg per day. Bawang has sulfuric compounds that protects the cells from damage that can lead to serious disease. Precaution: Do not use in anemic animals and in 1 week prior to and after surgery. So those are the herbs used for preventing and treating diseases for animals.